Hey guys, welcome to this channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can make your video caption more interesting using caption template in CapCut. So as you can see, I already generate the caption from my voiceover. And I'm going to select caption to make my caption more interesting. So you can see this is from my voiceover. And as you can see, there are several caption templates here you can use for your caption. So it can make your caption look better and more interesting. For example, I'm going to select this one. This is free, and just click generate to generating the caption. Just wait a minute. So as you can see, the new caption style that I have has changed. Okay, that's how you can use the caption template in CapCut. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.